What it do, everybody? Y'all see it. We what is it called? Batwing. We Batwing gang now. Yes, sir. The newest addition to the family. Got it's an ex-CHP bike. Highway Patrol. I wonder if these things are worth money like the CHP notchbacks, Mustangs. Those things worth like 20 grand. But anyways, I bought this thing from the auction blind. I hope it runs. Check out the sticker right there. It ain't got a battery in it, so we gonna see. Looked like it wasn't a front end damage. Well, accident. Fix the forks to look like, or I don't know. Anyways, pretty dope, man. Pretty dope, man. Let's see what it is. Okay. Take out all the stuff, batteries and all that. Sure it was up in there. It ain't got a battery in it. Luckily, I do got one. And we finna do this. We finna go race the homie Joe and Dylan. They don't know I'm bringing it. They supposed to be racing each other today. But I'm gonna bring this and see if they can outrun the cop bike. We got power. And check the oil, see? Make sure it's full. Oh yeah, it's full. Oh yeah, and it don't look bad. Yeah, we could get away with riding today for sure. See what this tire look like on it, cause if it's cool, we about to go smoke it. Yeah, look like we got, I don't know, like, dang, look like 80%. Oh, spider webs. I don't even know when the last time this thing's been. Ooh, look at the spider right there. Oh no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh. Oh hell no, bruh. Oh, I'm supposed to ride this thing like this? Oh no. Oh no. What a water hose. Oh no. Oh, we can't ride it with the spider. Gotta get the spider out. Oh no, y'all. I can't do spiders. That spider gotta come up out of there. Moment of truth, if it run or not. Let's see, y'all. Look, grab this pipe. Some people gonna say I'm gonna be lying if it do. My hand shaking? I know his phone ain't that heavy. Yes, sir. Stank like some old gas. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're gonna burn that spider up. Oh, yeah. Sound good, too. No noises. Heck yeah, man. I guess it wasn't a bad purchase after all. Cause I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I was kind of nervous. I didn't know if it was gonna run or not. But it do. And we about to go tear it up. We about to ride it harder than any CHP ever rode this bike before. But what I ain't gonna do is I ain't riding it stock like that. I'm about to get the Sawzall, and I'm about to chop the mufflers and pull them baffles out right now. So a lot of y'all baffle bandits, y'all gonna be mad at this, but I don't care. I'm not riding no bike sounding like a sewing machine. If you don't know, I'm about to show y'all how to take the baffles out. My first time cutting a muffler with the Sawzall. Normally I do it with the chop saw. I'll pull the muffler off, but as soon as it starts to taper down, that's where the baffle is welded in there. So I'm gonna cut as soon as it starts tapering. You can see it, you can feel it right when it starts to taper. See if I get on the first shot. Check, make sure we on. Oh yeah, we on, y'all. Zoom in a little bit. Go. That thing welded in there, y'all. Look at that. Thing welded. Straight flow through now. Yeah, it sound a lot better. Sound a lot better for sure. Well, I need to wash this thing. We about to wash it and go. We about to go race Dylan and Joe. I do got an extra bag. My boy Gino, he ended up giving me a bag. I knew that it wasn't coming with one, so I can't be riding around with one bag. Yeah, let's wash this thing. We about to get on the road. Okay, not bad, came out clean. What y'all think, man? Check out the bags, got the mismatch, one long, one short one. Yeah, I'm gonna end up getting a set of bags, go on Facebook Marketplace, try to find some. But yeah, we're about to get up on this road. My proud sponsors, Round Products. If you need anything for your Harley Davidson, dyno tune, motor work, full builds, anything, hit them up. Now who gonna get knocked off by this bike? That's the real question.
By all of us. You?
Cause Joe about to catch the smoke and Dylan. Whoever want the smoke.
That's hella sick. California Highway Patrol truck and shit.
Everything on that thing. Made it out to the spot. Got all the homies out here. Yes, sir. We out here, man. The cop bike made it. 126,000 miles. And it sound better than some of y'all bikes. I got 20,000 miles on them. But we made it. And I'm about to race Dylan and Joe. They thought they was going to be slick. They thought, yeah. We gonna see if the cop bike will get outran by a 110 and a 107. But
all right, y'all, we got another one coming out. We got Moss on the 107 auction police bike. 107 police. Gonna go back with Joe, Can 107. Joe's already got one up for the day, so let's see if he can keep his crown for the day. So we're gonna see what it does. Ready, go. Like Joe got him by about a bike. Big dub. Who got it? Who got it? Highway Patrol Moss, Big Joe. Get this water bottle on the way. Do it one more time. Ready, go. Like Joe got him on the top end.
I also like to thank Urban Illustrators. If you need any screen printing, hats, custom anything, hit them up. Thank you.
That one was pretty. He got it. It was close though.
It was close. I know, used to racing again, but
No more.
And we about to go smoke the tire though.
Gonna watch Moss smoke the tire up.
Yeah.
Police bike, California. Chaos. Come on, Boost. Slow down. chaos, man. Man, what you guys think about that? Boy, damn near got ran over. Look at the heat coming off the tire.
Feel me? Can't nobody do it like MossTheJockey. You better go play him. Y'all see that 360 on that thing? Check out the miles. How many miles I got? I'm tired as hell. How many miles I got thinking on it? They don't even, hold on. 126, y'all see how I run? Quit playing. Quit playing, man. I don't know. Mike Cam, I don't know. Y'all see the mismatch bags all the way. Well, 720 on it, man. Drug the pegs on it. Spit it up and y'all playing with it. Nah, but hey, appreciate y'all. Stay tuned for the upgrades on it. I even putting some wheels and stuff on it from the Road King. What else, man? Make it 2-in-1. Y'all see I cut the mufflers, all that. Hey, the 107s, police bikes don't run from the police. These 107s running. Y'all see me run off on that 24. But anyways, like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Late.